Whiskey, Charlie, all over. Clearly not concentrating. Onto the hard shoulder. Not sure what the person's doing.
On phone.
On phone? Yeah. Keep it there. He's on WhatsApp. He's just putting his phone down. Yeah. He's just put it down. It was WhatsApp. I could see the screen. There he is.
Those are some torn up straps.
You don't like it? Call it up, okay? Yeah.
There's some holes in them.
It's got holes in the straps.
Yeah.
Get someone swapping them, mate.
Yeah. And he's on his phone.
Lovely trucks around here, so we get the tractor on the back.
And no seatbelt.
All on camera. Red is phone moments. Texting away, swiping up this stuff.
In his right hand.
All on film. No seatbelt as well. I'm going to film him until we get a reaction from himself.
Still on his phone.
This is a red phone. Still got no reaction.
I can hear them.
Elbow on the wheel.
Elbow is the infant steering there. Still swiping. Still no reaction to you from behind him. No siren to you.
I can hear it.
You want me to drop it for a let me know?
So he doesn't like a Christmas tree. There's nothing. So he's just looking down, constantly swiping up. Still no reaction, even though it's silent to it.
Might need to go in front, yeah.
Gets you.
25.
Yeah, got him.
91.
Got him.
Zulu. That's
Yeah, I've got
Surgeon,
him.
105 Chester Road, Castle Bromwich.
Yeah, I've got him. He's still mucking around with his phone.
That's great. Can you run the shape?
Yeah,
Still texting.
yeah, I can see it.
Still
Right
texting. Right hand down by the door. We've got it on film. Still texting.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see he's watching a video. He's watching a video.
It's got you now.
Yeah. Cool little man. There we go. Just leave it there. Keep it there. It's just mucking around. Got it. It's got his. There you go. Keep it down.
He's on his phone.
Oh.
Both hands off the wheel.
Interacting with it.
With the phone in his left hand.
Keep it a little bit closer for us, mate. There he goes. Keeps going into it. Yeah, both hands off the wheel.